Proper use of microwave oven.
This is where it all begins.
By Louise Cambangay. First, ready your microwave. Ready the food that you want to heat. Reminder, use a microwavable food container. After that, put the food inside the microwave oven. Ensure that the food is placed in the center of the glass ring. Then, plug in the microwave oven and set the estimated time to heat your food. While heating, keep distance in the front of the microwave oven to protect yourself from the microwave radiation. Then, open it and get the food. Don't forget to unplug the microwave oven. After using the microwave oven, don't forget to clean the microwave oven. Thank you. This is Louise Cambangay. Thank you. God bless.